Jungle animal themed slap bracelets bands. This set includes 12 animal-themed slap bracelets, designed to fit all sizes. Each bracelet features a variety of cute animal designs, with clear, attractive colors that kids will love. These lightweight bracelets are easy for kids to put on themselves. Simply assist them by having them extend their wrist with a fist, then slap the bracelet onto their hand. It will automatically roll and adjust to fit their wrist comfortably.